Look at all the fall colors, Vinny. Yellows and blues. Some kind of pinky red. Hey, something I've been really looking forward to for some months now is firing up this 1950 Buick Roadmaster, and today is the day. I have to get ready for winter here, and this car has water in it, so we have to drain it. But before I drain it, I thought, well, we better get it going. I've never actually heard this car run, and I got it from my friend Chris, who's rebuilt the engine, and I'd love to hear it go. So that's what we're gonna try. Let's have a look at her. Sweet old barge for sure. And first thing I got to figure out is how to get the hood off, or open at least. These have a very interesting system wherein you, oh, it looks like we just need a big screwdriver. You just, the hood latch is in here, you just turn it, and then if we turn both sides, the hood will come off. So that's the plan. Let's get the hood off and get a battery in here, and if it starts, it might even move. I do not know, but if it does, we're going for a drive. Okay. Look at that. It has a battery already. Forgot about that. Okay, look at this magnificent engine. It's 320 cubic inch, straight-8. Yeah, Chris went through the whole thing, so I'm pretty excited to fire this baby up. I don't think we're gonna have too much trouble. Looks like we got an on-off switch here. Maybe he's got something rigged for the starter here. Yes, we've got something we can jump it with. So let's hook up everything and see what happens, and get some fuel to this puppy and go for a drive. Oh man, what a beautiful engine. Just oh, look at that. Just fantastic. Gas. Just gonna charge this baby for a couple minutes because it hasn't been charged since I've had it. Maybe we should probably uncover the carburetor. Let's do that. Stick my head in here. We're not that far away. Let's see if we can get it to crank. I'm gonna finish pulling that rag off of there. Then we're gonna just test the starter. See if it'll bump. Yes. Okay. Get that out of the way. I guess next we'll be dumping some fuel in, because that's a long ways from there up to here. So we'll just dump some raw gas down the carb and see if we can get it to make any fun sounds. Everything should be ready to go. I want to be pretty careful with this because this is a 0-mile engine. I believe that Chris broke this in, so that's terrific. Let's see how she goes. This one would have been kind of a gimme for Straight-8 Showdown, so this would have been a pretty clear winner. Bit of a cheat though. This one hasn't run since we finished the showdown there. Can't run it for long because I'm not putting coolant in anything now at this point. Matter of fact, I have to drain Dodge Buddy here, because I believe that's got water in it too. And we're going to start getting cold temperatures here pretty quick. Just double check. Maybe there is, oh, there's water in it. Okay. Great. Power to coil. I think. close. Not quite there. Something's not quite right. Got a miss, a couple of misses. Okay, we're gonna have to get the hood off and keep playing with it here. Okay, let's see which one's not firing. Okay, well, that's not too bad. Definitely something's not 100%. So I'm going to see which cylinder is not firing, and then maybe it's something simple. Everything seems to be okay, no really bad sounds, and it started right up, so we're in the neighborhood for sure. Had a slight delay. Couldn't get the hood off by myself. Luckily Tom showed up, we got the hood off, started playing with the engine, changed a couple plugs. The 2 cylinders just weren't firing, and putting plugs in them didn't help. So we pulled the valve cover thinking there might be a stuck valve, and it turns out that a couple of the valves had the lash adjusted to less than 0 and they were just hanging open. So I think we've got it now. Let's have a look. Right, buddy?
Well, start her up again and
yeah. Just, okay, here we go. Valves adjusted, we hope. Let's put the cover back on and see if it'll move. I think that'll be fun. I'd love to be able to move this thing around. Close, what do you got? Yeah, and
the head just there you are.
There we go.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah. That's great.
That's the way they all should be put on, huh?
Yeah, now I think those go like that.
Yeah, the bevel part to the bottom.
Like a wheel nut,
yeah,
right?
That's right.
Probably.
You better snug that down.
Keep that in place.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm relieved.
Yeah.
Like, so now that she's warmed up,
Will it move?
we should go around the yard, I say.
Well,
I think it even has brakes, so
well,
I can give you a ride home.
no, I'm going to move this thing ahead so that you
Oh, so I don't run into it?
Well, we don't know if it's got brakes.
We don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
That's all the fun.
Well, I'm going to move this ahead.
Okay. All right. Here goes nothing. is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.